Hi, scientists. You have been learning so much about seeds, and I'd like to read to you today a short section on life cycles. So, as I close read the photographs here, I can see the seed stages, and let's read more about that. All right, I'm going to zoom up here so we can see. Header, life stages. The word cycle means go around. We heard about the cycle many times when we learned about water. A wheel goes around. You can observe a wheel go through one cycle. Put a mark on a wheel. That's the beginning point. Turn the wheel and watch the mark go around. When the mark comes back to the beginning point, the wheel has completed one cycle. Another cycle is the one that happens every day, from sunrise one day to sunrise the next day. 1 year is a cycle. The moon goes through a cycle of phases each month. Organisms go through life cycles, but an organism's life cycle is a little different from going around in a circle. Like all cycles, a life cycle has a beginning, things happen, and then you find yourself back at the beginning again. You studied the life cycle of a bean plant. The life cycle started with a bean seed. Inside the bean seed was the dormant embryo of a bean plant. When the bean seed soaked up water and the seed germinated, the bean plant started growing. So we can take a look at that. I really appreciate this photograph because you can see the roots, you can see the stem, the leaf, and the embryo exiting the seed coat. The root was the first structure to appear. Soon after that, the first leaves appeared on the end of a stem. The baby plant bean had developed into a bean seedling. It took several weeks for the bean plant to get bigger and grow more leaves and stems. When the bean plant was mature, it developed flowers. The flowers changed into fruits, called green beans. Seeds developed inside the fruits. When the fruits were mature, there was a crop of new bean seeds. The bean plant had gone through its life cycle. The plant started as a seed and completed the cycle when it produced new seeds. The seeds might grow into new plants. The life cycle repeats over and over again. Let's take a look at this diagram here. So the bean seed, germinated seed is a word that we've been exploring and investigating. The bean seedling, the bean plant with flowers, bean plant with fruit, bean pod with seeds, and then we're back to our seed again.